Hello everybody, welcome to another video. My name is Infiniti and today I am here to show you guys how to crochet the ladder stitch, which is yet another outstanding mesh stitch that I wanted to feature this summer. If you don't want to miss out on any of my other future summer tutorials, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell so you don't miss out. Without further ado, we're just going to jump right into this tutorial. This pattern is a one row repeat, so that means it's super easy. It's great for beginners. Also, it is great for bookmark patterns and market bags. I really love seeing this pattern on market bags. But okay, let's get into this. So we are going to start today with a slip knot. You are going to chain in multiples of 6 and then add 7 for this foundation row. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. Now I'm going to add 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Alright, so now what we are going to do is we are going to skip 12 stitches, 12 chains, and we are going to place a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into the 13th stitch from our hook. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Again, that is a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, all in that same chain. Alright, and now we are going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, 5. We are now going to skip 5 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we are now going to single crochet, chain 3, single crochet into that 6th stitch over. One, 2, 3, and place that second single crochet in that same chain space. We are going to repeat this process all the way to the end of the row. When we get to the last 6 stitches of our row, what we're going to do is chain up 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Alright, and then we are going to skip 5 stitches and we are going to half double crochet in the last chain of our foundation row. So that's a yarning over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops on your hook. And here we have our first row of ladders. So essentially this stitch just is composed of chains and picots. Alright, so now we're going to go to a row 2. For row 2, we are going to chain up 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn our work. And we are going to skip the half double crochet that our chain is coming out of. We're also going to skip these 5 chains, and we are going to work directly into this chain 3 loop with a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. And that's what's lovely about this pattern. It is so simple because after row 1 you're just repeating the same thing. So row 2 is your repeat for the entirety of the pattern, and you're just working in those peacoats from the previous row. Alright, so we are now going to chain 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. We're going to skip this whole big chain space here and work into the chain 3 loop here with a single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. Alright, we're going to continue that all the way to the end of our row. Right, when you get to the end of the row, you're going to chain 5, 2, 3, 4, and 5. You're going to skip 5 chains from this last single crochet, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And you are going to half double crochet into that 6th chain over. Alright? And there we go. And this is what row 2 looks like. I'm sorry. Yes, row 2. Alright, and then you again would continue to repeat row 2 up and up and up until you get a swatch like this or your desired length of your project. Like I said, it's an awesome summer stitch, obviously, because it breathes so well. When it came to finishing off my row and making it nice and smooth, if you don't want a row of these little peacoats here, what I did was I chained up 7, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I turned my work. And in each of these little peacoats, I would just place a single crochet there. So then I would chain 5 after that, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I'd find my next picot and I would place a single crochet there. And that's how I basically smoothed off my edges for this pattern. I chain my last 5. And I would come all the way over and place a single crochet into that 5th chain from the previous row. And then you can fasten off. Pretty simple. Alright, so that's how I even off my rows, but if you have a different suggestion, feel free to let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, hit that notification bell, and subscribe if this video was helpful for you guys today. It helps the channel out so much and I appreciate it a lot. Also, don't forget to chime in under the community tab for the Q&A that's been ongoing since July 1st. I look forward to hearing from you guys and answering your questions in our next set of channel chats. Also, don't forget to check me out on other social media. I'm on pretty much everything except for Snapchat and TikTok. You can also head over to my blog and sign up for the newsletters. You'll be notified every time there's a new pattern drop or a big upcoming project. I love sharing those with my community. Anyway, guys, until next time, happy making.